Good day, my fellow aspiring traders. We are going to take a look back at one of our trades from last week. In this setup, I used the 1 hour and 15-minute time frames. In the 1 hour time frame, we marked old swing highs and lows of the chart. Our trend here for our daily bias is bearish. As you can see, we have a lot of swing lows on the 1 hour time frame. We will try to filter out which ones have the highest probability later. This is where our most recent swing low was liquidated. There is a possibility that it will target our buy-side liquidity first, before the downward movement continues. Remember that we have equal highs on that area, or in other term is double top, which means a lot of stop loss resting above that zone. Our BSL has been liquidated and has formed a FVG. We need to observe the subsequent candles on the 15-minute time frame to get confirmation of bearish momentum. And here on the 15-minute time frame, we can see that it has also created an iFVG with a bearish candle, closing beyond this inefficiency. We can try to place an order on this candle, but I have decided to wait for a retracement as confirmation for the continuation of the downward move. We can place our order here, set the stop loss above the previous swing high, and set the take profit to the target zone. Don't forget to set your partial TP from the monitoring zone we have highlighted. Now let's see if the market follows our analysis. If we fail with this setup, don't be disappointed, it's part of the process. There is no 100% win rate. The secret to be a successful and profitable trader is how we can control our emotions and how we react to what the market is showing us. We can break even here and take a partial profit as the market consolidates. Remember the 4 zones we highlighted? Try to observe how the market will react to these zones. I've decided to take our profit here, since it shows a strong rejection. Still a good trade, with a ratio of 1:1.7. Can you recognize the order blocks from the highlighted area? Please comment on your answers to what you noticed about these areas. I hope you can learn something from this trade. Happy trading, and stay safe.